Let it begin.
Let's go back now to Georg Mattes on the ground in eastern Paris. He is just around the corner from the kosher supermarket where one of the hostage situations is underway. Now, Georg, we are hearing reports earlier from Max of gunfire and explosions at Dammartin. Have those reports reached you? And if so, what effect are they having?
That is a good question. Very tense situation here as the police asks people to make way in the middle of the street, apparently for vehicles to be allowed through. So we'll have to see what happens here within the next situations. Now we're hearing massive explosions right behind me. And the police asks everyone to seek shelter and to get into and to move out of the way.
Very dramatic situation, Georg.
Clearly the police is storming now the building.
Okay, we're going to stay with you as we watch what happens behind you. A very dramatic situation there.
Now, a big vehicle is moving into the crime scene. Back behind the vehicle, and apparently the special forces are storming the building. They're asking us now to retreat the situation and to move away from that scene here as the police tries to make right next to me more space for more police vehicles that come from over there to come into the crime scene. Okay, that's serious. We got to...
Hello? Are you there? Hello? Hello?